Hi guys, welcome back. So these feathers here belong to a special kind of bird. Got some as well in my pocket, I think. Called the grouse. Yeah, look. See, it's a medium-sized bird. But look at the coloration. Look at that. I think males are about this colour. Females are more, I think possibly more greyish, more darkish colour. I could be wrong. But they're beautiful animals as well. Yeah. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye. So just to let you know that the males are colourful. They've got beautiful colours, while the females are smaller and duller, like more camouflage colour. So I think that's what separates the males and the females. But you need to know that.